Zoe here, lesson 2 of how to plan your plot, and today we're looking at light. Now, why on earth should we be looking at light? Well, plants need light to grow, so by understanding now the light levels of your space, so whether it is full sun shade or part shade, and I'll put definitions up and other things there for you in a second, you will be able to better understand what plant to place where to save you both time and money, because you'll be choosing things that will work, and you'll also be able to understand the design implications if you place any new items in your space where things are going to shade. So whilst this is a science in and of itself, and for clients I do really complex 3D modelling, the best thing to do if you can is stand on your plot in mid-June. However, this is January right now. In December we don't have that luxury, so my cheats guide is as follows.
First things first, you've got to work out where your facings of your plot. So you need to work out where your north, south, east and west is. So use a compass and draw it on and work it on, and then draw it on your diagram. So you can see from me, basically it's pretty much straight east to west. Now go over there and draw the arrow where the light's coming up and where it's going down in your day. So I know if I place something here, it's going to shade in this direction. So it's really helpful. Now the next thing I've got to do is look for things around my plot that are going to shade it out. So I've got my tree and I've got my wall, and I've got to estimate the height, and then I work out half that height and I colour in the shaded areas. So I now know this is going to be shade. And thinking about the facing will tell me how much.
Okay, so that's how you can start thinking about shading your plot. For clients, I do very complex 3D models to make sure I'm bang on accurate. However, this is going to give you some good tips and tricks and direction to get you started. And I'm looking forward to talking to you next week, where we're going to be looking not above ground but below at soil.